Hello everybody, welcome to Mrs. Lin's kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Oden, a hearty Japanese one-pot dish that's perfect for the cold weather. It's an easy recipe and the bulk of the work is in prepping all the ingredients before cooking. Here is the ingredients overview. Oden has various ingredients and there are really no right or wrong combination. You can add more ingredients that you like and leave out the one you don't or cannot find. Most of the ingredients can be found at Asian supermarkets, but if you have a Japanese supermarket nearby, it's a perfect place to get all the ingredients like fish cakes and konjac cakes for this dish. Konnyaku or konjac cakes in Japanese come in different shape and color depending on the ingredients used to make them. There are many different types of fish cakes, so feel free to get the ones that you like. Mochi kinchaku or tofu mochi pouches are another ingredients you can add to Oden. I'll show you how to make them at home if you cannot find the pre-made ones in the supermarket. To make a dashi stock, please refer to my dashi stock video for a step-by-step instruction. After you make the dashi, don't throw away the kombu. You can use them to make the kombu tie like I'm making here. Just cut them into thin strips and then tie a knot in the middle. Previously, I've shared the cabbage roll recipes and you can also use these cabbage rolls in Oden. I'll link the instruction video in the description box below. If you use dry shiitake mushroom in your Oden, reconstitute the mushrooms before using. To prepare the konjac cake, first, slit shallowly on both the top and bottom side. I do this so that when you cook the Oden, the flavor can easily penetrate into the konjac cake. As I mentioned earlier, konjac cakes come in multiple colors. The one I use for this video has this color because it has seaweed powder in it. Next, cut the konjac cake into smaller pieces. You can cut into any shape you like. Here I cut it into triangles. After that, boil the konjac cake for 2 minutes to get rid of the konjac smell. By doing so, it also helps konjac cake to absorb flavor better and improve textures. After 2 minutes, take them out and set aside. Next, boil the eggs for 10 minutes on low heat. When the time is up, take the eggs out and chill in the ice bath. Chilling in ice baths makes it easier to peel the eggshell. After the eggs are cooled off, peel the shell. Gently poke holes around the eggs and then set aside. With the daikon, peel off the skin and cut into about 1 inch thick. Make a small slit in the middle of each daikon so it helps absorbing the flavors. Do the same with the carrot. Next, boil the carrot and daikon on medium-high heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the daikon will be slightly transparent. Take everything out and set aside. To make the tofu mochi pouches, you'll need to get the aburage, the Japanese fried tofu pouches, and the kiri mochi. Cut the fried tofu pouches in half. Cut the kiri mochi in quarters like how I do it here. Next, stuff the kiri mochi in the tofu pouch and insert a toothpick to close it off. If you can find the fish cake rolls that are hollow in the middle, here is how you can prepare them. Insert a stalk of green onion into the fish cake roll, cut off the excess on both ends. Then cut the fish cake into smaller pieces. With other pre-made fish cakes you can find in the supermarket, simply cut them into smaller sizes, any shapes that you prefer. To make the Oden dipping sauce, in a clean bowl, add 1 tablespoon of miso, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of dashi. Mix them well. If you want to make your sauce spicy, you can add 1 teaspoon of wasabi and keep mixing. After all the ingredients are prepped, we can start cooking the Oden. In a clean pot, add 7 cups of dashi. Next, Add the cabbage rolls, daikon, carrot, konjac cake, hard-boiled egg, shiitake mushroom. You want to put the root vegetables and the ingredients that would take longer to cook and absorb the flavor in first. Next, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, half teaspoon of sugar. Bring it to a boil. When the broth starts to boil, cover with the lid and adjust the heat to medium-high and boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the various fish cakes that you have. Cover again and boil for another 5 minutes. The fish cakes are pre-cooked, so you don't need to cook them in the broth for too long. After 5 minutes, add the kombu Thai and cook for 5 more minutes. When the time is up, you're done. Transfer your oden into a large serving bowl or a donabe pot if you have one, and serve with the oden dipping sauce. You can also cook oden directly in a donabe pot. Just make sure to adjust the amount of ingredients to the size of your donabe pot. Oden is a perfect dish to share with the whole family. You can also experiment with different combinations of ingredients every time. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let me know in the comment area which ingredients you would add to your oden. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.